This is a Schrader removal tool. This tool gives us the ability to replace a leaking Schrader core from an AC service valve without having to remove the refrigerant from the system. First, we attach the Schrader core tool to the service valve. We twist the back end of the tool so we can twist out the Schrader core and be able to remove it. We turn the shutoff portion of the tool. Then we can unscrew the back end of the Schrader tool and pull out the Schrader core. We will now install the Schrader core to simulate the replacement, and we simply do the process in reverse. We put the Schrader back in, we seal the back end of the Schrader tool. We open the valve back up. Then we slide the Schrader back into the valve port and we simply screw it back in. And the valve core is now replaced.